Have you ever been to a fruit market overflowing with exotic options? Maybe you see a spiky durian, a fuzzy rambutan, or a brightly colored pitaya. These fruits look enticing, but with no prior knowledge, how do you know which is safe to eat? Similarly, when it comes to your hard-earned money, choosing the right bank can feel overwhelming. Today, we're focusing on Tide Bank, a name that might raise some questions. Is Tide Bank safe? Should you trust them with your money? Let's dive in and explore what Tide Bank offers, how they operate, and most importantly, whether your money would be safe in their care. Firstly, let's understand what Tide Bank actually is. Unlike traditional high street banks with grand buildings and marble interiors, Tide Bank is a digital-first institution. They primarily exist online, offering a mobile app for most banking needs. This modern approach resonates with a growing tech-savvy population who value convenience and ease of access. But is a digital bank safe? Absolutely. Here's why. Just like any traditional bank, Tide Bank operates under the regulatory umbrella of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. This means they're subject to strict guidelines and regular audits to ensure financial stability and consumer protection. Additionally, Tide Bank likely utilizes industry-standard encryption protocols to safeguard your information and transactions. Let's address another potential concern: deposit insurance. This is a government-backed program that protects your money in case the bank fails. In Nigeria, the Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, insures deposits up to a specific limit per person per bank. Tide Bank, like any registered bank, should participate in this scheme, offering an extra layer of security for your funds. Now, safety is crucial, but what about the features and functionalities Tide Bank provides? As a digital bank, they focus on offering a user-friendly mobile app for managing your finances. This translates to features like quick and easy money transfers, bill payments, potentially even integrations with budgeting apps, and possibly features like mobile check deposits. Here's a heads up: since Tide Bank is relatively new, it's advisable to compare their specific features and functionalities with established players. See what others offer and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Another factor to consider is interest rates. Traditional banks often entice customers with high-interest savings accounts. However, digital banks might prioritize lower fees over sky-high interest rates. Research Tide Bank's interest rates on savings accounts and see if they align with your financial goals. Here's the thing: digital banks aren't for everyone. If you value personalized service and the convenience of a physical branch, Tide Bank might not be the best fit. However, for those who prioritize convenience, accessibility, and a potentially streamlined banking experience, Tide Bank could be an attractive option. So, is your money safe with Tide Bank? Based on their regulatory compliance and potential participation in deposit insurance schemes, the answer seems to be yes. But remember, banking is a personal decision. Consider your priorities, research Tide Bank's offerings thoroughly, and compare them with other banks before making a choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and make smart choices with your hard-earned money.